Welcome to the Pocket Hole Podcast.
Hello, all you PDF files out there. You're watching and listening to the Pocket Hole Podcast Count Tornado, direct from Mullingar. How are you, sir?
I'm very good.
Your costume is it's sort of a mix between Count Dracula and Elton John.
In a way, yeah, I'd say that might be an idea, but I just thought of the idea, when a manager said you're a bit like Tornado on stage, and I'm very good. Years ago.
I see. So where did the count come from? That's the tornado aspect.
I like to Count Dracula. When I was younger, I was scared of him, but then I got used to watching him. And then, as I said, a manager called me a tornado on stage one time, and I put the name together and copyrighted.
So you got used to watching Count Dracula. Were you overexposed to Count Dracula? He just kept cropping up in your life. You couldn't ignore him.
No. I'd watch it a little bit, and then I got fed up with the kind of music in Dublin that was the same old crap all the time, with people going dun 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 dun. So I decided I'd go to Dermot Dorn in Eamon Dorn's, and I asked him could I play, and he said, "Well, what are you about?" He didn't know me from Adam, I should say, and I said, "Well, I tell you what, I write all my own songs." He said, "Yeah, we've got loads of people that write their own songs, but what are you about?" I said, "Well, I'll be honest with you, I can play keyboards with my head and my hands behind my back." And he said, I'll book you in for next Saturday."
So he was like, he went from being like, "Who are you? I have no interest in you at all." And you said, "I play keyboards with my head." And he said, "Can you do Saturday?"
Yeah, that's exactly
why
right.
are they teaching this? Why aren't they teaching this in college? I just don't know. You have to think outside the box in order to get anywhere, right?
I'm outside a lot of boxes. Yeah.
How about we start the show off with an original tune from Count Tornado himself?
Absolutely. I'll set up my camera. This is my first world exclusive of Cats on Stilts.
World exclusive.
On Pocket Hole Podcast.
Here we go, world exclusive.
Are you ready?
Count Tornado.
My cat's on stilts. Hard to see when he cheats. My cat's on stilts. Hard to see when he cheats. Playing backwards, the other way around.
He's playing backwards, everybody. Some might say the wrong way around. Not this man.
Do you see him in chains? My cat's on stilts. My cat's on stilts. Hard to see when he's eating cheese. Walking down the street in the cheese, he's on stilts. My cat's on stilts. My cat's on stilts. Meow.
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Count Tornado.
Did you see the film?
I did indeed, of course I did.
Yeah, and we had a load of people downstairs trying to get in when that film was on,
And so the funny thing, this is what I like about the Count Tornado story, is that mainstream cinemas, they wouldn't show it. Am I correct? It was too obscure.
They had no idea. They couldn't put a person in a film sense with a person that plays keyboards with their head. They just couldn't get their head around that. Actually, Cineworld, I must say thank you to them and the producers of them, directors of them, and their company. They allowed my film, and it became very, very well known. In Dublin, it went for 5 minutes, and I couldn't believe it. I phoned up the next day pretending I wanted a ticket and said, "Sorry, Count Tornado's ticket is gone. It's gone." And I said, "Well, I'm the Count." He said, "Well, that's very good, Count. Your tickets are gone." And there's 100 people downstairs trying to get in.
Why did you reveal your identity in the end? Why did you tell him that it was you?
I just wanted to know that the count is getting a ticket for himself. Just having a laugh.
Yeah, that guy. That guy gets to go home with a story. Would you like to play us another one of your classic hits live on the show?
I'll actually, I'll do Electric Sewing Machine. How about that?
The #1 chart-topping single, Electric Sewing Machine and Stevens Green. Now come on, let's get the audience to give us a big round of applause for Count Tornado. Woo!
Can you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, looks great. Fantastic setup you've got there.
All right. Okay.
Electric Sewing Machine.
Electric Sewing Machine. It's Stephen Green. And you should have seen what I've seen. Well, I take out my electric sewing machine. I make the most beautiful suit you've ever seen. I drive a van down to Stephen Green. In summertime, all in a row. Electric sewing machine.
Stevens Green.
Green.
Yeah.
You should see what I've seen. Well, I take out my electric sewing machine. I make the most beautiful suit you've ever seen. Electric sewing machine. Stevens Green. Make the most beautiful suits you've ever seen. And all the girls that I've ever seen with sexy mini skirts on, all in a row. Well, I take out my electric sewing machine. I make the most beautiful suits you've ever seen. I drive my van down Stephen Green, all in a row. In summertime. Electric sewing machine. It's Stephen Green. And you should have seen what I have seen. When I take out my electric sewing machine, just go out to all the girls around the world and girls in my car and saying hello to my girlfriend Mary, and saying hello to my fans, friends and fans and family and everyone. Hello to you people, and hello to the people that I did this song. We can't always get what we want, and that was all the lights and made it for artists. Thank you. Electric sewing machine, and a big shout out to Tesco people as well here in the car. Jerry Coach, Mr. Hugh Gormley, Dave Pierce from the Centres, Mr. Duncan Pratt from the Centres. We will be rocking the podcast very soon. Thank you. And hopefully we get a bass player as well soon as well. Alright, here we go. We might be playing Germany as well sometime next year. Mr. Dave Pierce, if you want anything done, you can call Mr. Dave Pierce to get him on the deepest recordings. I'm sending him a message, he'll arrange all the details.
Yeah. Whoa, playing it backwards.
Electric sewing machine. It's Stephen Green. Electric sewing machine. It's Stephen Green. Electric sewing machine. Big shout out to Mr. Paragar as well, Andre Foley. Nice to talk to you as well. Take care. Big shout out to my sister Rachel, Elijah Christopher, my nephew, and everyone else. Thank you. Good night from the count. Take care. Stay safe and close. Thank you.
Welcome to the Pocket Hole Podcast.